So then, the all-new Honda Jazz, it's here on Swansway soil, and in this video I'll be giving you a walk-around tour along with comparing it to the previous model. Beginning with the exterior, and the team at Honda have worked really hard on this, especially with the front section with the revised front bumper. It looks sportier, more aggressive, and overall has better aerodynamics. Starting with this black tessellated open upper grille, which works well with the lower black air intake and the side intakes too, which I personally think looks really good. And it also contrasts well against this premium crystal red metallic paintwork. Additionally, we've also seen an update within the LED headlights. Same as before, fantastic visibility, but inside it shows black instead of chrome, creating a very nice road presence. The Honda Jazz also has this lovely thin A-frame here, which is not normally seen on most cars, and inside when you're driving it provides a better field of view. This Honda Jazz sits on the amazing light alloy 16-inch alloy wheels, lighter than most alloy wheels, adding to that driving dynamic. And of course, we'll show you more on the back in just a minute. The rear design echoes that of the front. It is absolutely stunning, and it all flows from the subtle black roof lip spoiler to the rear privacy glass and the black accents found on the newly revised rear bumper for the 2023 model. As you can agree, it does look amazing. On the topic of the rear, I need to show you the amount of boot space that you get with the new Honda Jazz. There's over 300 litres of boot space, and you can also fold down the rear seats, which will maximise the space to over 1,200 litres. Talking of rear seats, the seats within the Honda Jazz are phenomenal. They use a two-tone effect with the cloth upholstered centre and leather counterparts. There's integrated ISOFIX points too, which is brilliant for child seat fixings. And if you'd like to charge your phone on the go, you can do that thanks to the two charging ports found within the centre console. Additionally, you know how I mentioned that you can have up to over 1,000 litres of space when you fold the rear seats down? Well, you can also fold the rear seats up, thanks to Honda's Magic Seat system. Check this out. So underneath the rear seat is a bar. Simply pull this up, lock into place like so, and there you have it. Lots more space available, perfect if you're moving house or going on a long weekend away. The front interior echoes that of the rear. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm currently sat in what Honda call their anti-fatigue seats, which are heated and are perfect on those long journeys. There's lots of controls too, and they're easy to use, such as this leather trimmed heated multifunctional steering wheel, for example, presenting cruise control functions and audio controls. Straight ahead of me is the digital instrument cluster, which is easy to read, and it also displays a battery level, which is really comforting and eliminates any range anxiety. In the center console, you've got the 9-inch coloured touchscreen display, which is nicely laid out, providing access to apps like navigation. You've also got radio, which you can have your own private festival. The speakers are really good. And you've got something called Honda Connect, which means you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, giving you a very pleasant driving experience. Lower down, you've got the air conditioning controls, along with power outlets and the lovely seamless automatic transmission, which is leather trimmed. And as you can see all around me, thanks to those thin A-pillars, there's loads of visibility. This really is a lovely place to be. There's nothing better than driving a Honda hybrid. Honda have developed the hybrid powertrain for years, and it's absolutely astonishing. It draws power from the combustion engine and the regenerative braking, meaning there's no need to plug in, which is less hassle for you. And did you know on a full tank, the new Honda Jazz can achieve a range of up to 550 miles? Now that is just mind-blowing. I highly recommend booking a test drive to experience this engine and power delivery for yourself. So then, I hope this gives you a better overview about what the all-new Honda Jazz is about. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to pop down to either Honda Bolton or Honda Stockport, where one of the member of staff will happily accommodate you. For any further information, please head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.